Yo. Yo. This is a lot of snow. You ready to go outside? What do you do? Alright then. Hey! What the? Oh, okay. Oh, I guess you were sitting the whole time. I guess Ringo's smart. He knows exactly where to go. Look at all this fucking snow! Today is January 23rd, 2016. Look at dude, look how tall our fences are. I hope Ringo doesn't jump over them somehow. You ready, Ring Ring? You just stepped on the snow I was gonna step on. Look at this fresh snow. That's like up to my knee. Oh shit. I'm stuck. Oi! Oh! Oh, it's windy! Woo! Woo, the blizzard! It's a blizzard! I snoked on Cho! Choked on snow! Ooh, okay, under the deck's still pretty. I'll go where Ringo went. How did he do this? He's not even touching the ground. Like he's not fat. Oh god, he just smashed into something. This is the fertilizer we had right here. Did he pee on that? Oh no, he peed over there. Oh. Hey, PSA by the way, guys, don't let your dog eat the snow. Especially if you live in a city, because all the snow he's gonna be eating is like pollution, pretty much. And if it's yellow snow, especially don't eat that unless you're a bear. Go, Ringo, go! Don't try to run away, dude. Yeah, you can't run away this time. Run, Ringo! Go, Ringo, go! No, don't drown! Wilson! Wilson! Oh, Ringo, come on. You can do it. Oh, now I'm worried. Ringo, you can do it. Come on. Come on, good boy. Come on, good boy. Oh, Ringo. Come on. Ringo, come on. You can do it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh. Woo. I wish I could do that. Just shake off all that snow. Well, anyways. Whew. I hope I don't die. I hope I don't fall in the snow and drown like my dog almost did. Hey Ringo, where are you gonna poop? You gonna poop in your usual spot all the way down there? You having problems? Alright. Well, I'll see you guys later today. Right now it's only noon and the snow is extremely high. Actually, I can get a good view of how high the snow actually is. Like, other than me sinking into it and my dog drowning in it. Oh god. Oh, oh! I fell! Ooh. Oh! It's this high. Right, Ring Ring? Hey, it works. Nice. Alright, demon dog. I'm gonna stop recording, so if you drown, I'll save your life. Yeah. Alright. This is Virginia. In 2016, Snowmageddon. Snowmageddon? Sounds so stupid. When you read it, it sounds cool, but when you say it, it's just like, pfft, yeah, whatever. Anyways, bye-bye. Ow, dude. You stepped on my frozen foot.